Meaning of Lipizzaner.
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 Lipizzaner. Lipizzaner is a term that refers to a breed of horse that is closely associated with the Spanish riding school in Vienna, Austria. The Lipizzaner breed is believed to have originated in the 16th century in what is now Slovenia, and it is known for its elegant appearance and graceful movements. These horses are traditionally trained to perform a series of highly skilled maneuvers that are collectively known as the airs above the ground, and they have become famous for their performances as part of the Spanish riding school's public displays. In addition to their use in the arena, Lipizzaner horses are also prized for their beauty, intelligence, and athleticism, and they are often used in dressage and other forms of equestrian competition.